Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best organizer drawers with wheels is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving solutions for decluttering any room in your home, from the garage to the craft room, offering a convenient way to store and access your belongings with ease, making them an indispensable tool for anyone looking to maximize their living or working space and maintain a tidy environment. Number 5. Honey Can-Do Rolling Storage Cart with 12 Drawers. Introducing a versatile rolling storage cart, perfect for organizing your home, classroom, or creative space. Its adaptable design fits seamlessly into any environment. Keep your supplies visible and accessible with its semi-transparent drawers. Easily find what you need without rummaging through each one. Navigate your space with ease thanks to the locking wheels. They provide excellent maneuverability when you need to move it, and stability when it's time to work. Need more room to create? This cart can also serve as an additional workspace, offering a convenient surface for your projects. With 12 spacious drawers of varying depths, it offers ample storage for all your supplies. Keep everything tidy and within reach. Assembly is a breeze with the included tools and instructions. You'll have your new organizer set up and ready to use in no time. What we like? This organizer offers a massive 12 drawers, perfect for sorting a wide variety of items. The locking wheels give you the option for stability or mobility. If you have extensive craft supplies or need to organize a busy home office, this cart provides the most storage capacity. What people say? The drawers are sturdy and hold a good amount of items. The wheels make it easy to move around, which is great for small spaces. Assembly was straightforward and didn't take too long. Number 4. HOMZ 4-tier clear plastic drawer tower with wheels. Discover the perfect storage solutions with HOMZ. Proudly made in the USA, we help make your house a true HOMZ. This multi-purpose cart is ideal for organizing your home, office, or craft area. It helps you store various items while maximizing your space. With its roomy storage, it provides ample space for everything. Neatly stored toiletries, office supplies, clothing, or craft materials. Quickly find what you need with its transparent design. Plus, the included wheels allow for instant mobility between rooms. Crafted with 90% recycled materials, this cart is built to last. It's a durable and stylish addition that's also gentle on the environment. What we like? This cart is proudly made in the USA with a focus on sustainability, using 90% recycled materials. It offers spacious capacity for various items. If you prioritize eco-friendly products and need a reliable, versatile organizer for your home, office, or craft area, this is an excellent choice. What people say? The drawers are deep and hold a lot of items. The wheels roll smoothly on carpet and hardwood floors. The organizer is sturdy and doesn't wobble when full. Number 3. Iris USA 4-drawer rolling storage cart. Introducing a versatile storage organizer designed to declutter any space. It's perfect for keeping your frequently used items tidy and accessible. This storage cart comes with removable wheels for effortless mobility. You can easily move it around or secure it in place by detaching the casters. Crafted with high-quality, durable plastic right here in the USA. Enjoy easy access to your belongings with its smooth gliding drawers. Each drawer features built-in stops to prevent accidental falls. The dimensions are designed for convenient storage of various items. With its compact dimensions, this cart fits perfectly in various settings. It offers a practical and stylish way to organize your home or office. What we like? Designed with practical drawer stops to prevent accidental spills, this organizer offers smooth gliding drawers and removable wheels for flexible placement. If you need secure storage that's easy to move when needed, especially for smaller items in a craft room or under a desk, this is ideal. What people say? The drawers are deep and hold a lot of items. The wheels make it easy to move around. The organizer is sturdy and well-made. Number 2. HOMZ 3-tier drawer tower storage cart. Welcome to HOMZ, where we offer a wide range of storage solutions to meet all your needs. We proudly make our products in the USA, helping you transform your house into a HOMZ. This multi-purpose cart is perfect for organizing any space, whether it's your home, office, or craft area. It's designed to store various items efficiently while making the most of your available space. With its spacious capacity, you'll have plenty of room to neatly store everything. From toiletries and office supplies to clothing and craft materials, it keeps your items organized. The transparent drawers let you easily see and access your belongings at a glance. Plus, the included wheels allow you to effortlessly move it wherever you need it. This storage cart is built to last, made with 90% recycled materials. It's a durable and stylish addition to your home that's also kind to the environment. What we like. This organizer features a stylish black frame and is constructed from 90% recycled materials, making it an eco-conscious choice. It provides ample space for various items across its 3 tiers. If you're looking for a durable, environmentally friendly option with a sleek aesthetic for your home, bathroom, or office, consider this one. What people say. The drawers are deep and hold a lot of items. The wheels make it easy to move around. It was easy to assemble and looks great. Number 1. HOMZ 3-tier rolling drawer tower. Tired of clutter? This rolling storage cart is designed to help you organize any space, whether it's your home or office. Despite its small footprint, it offers 3 spacious drawers to hold all your essentials. Its compact design ensures it fits perfectly wherever you need it. With clear drawers and removable wheels, it's easy to see what's inside and move it around. Use it for toiletries, office supplies, crafts, and so much more. Feel good about your purchase. This cart is made from 90% recycled materials, making it a great choice for both your items and the planet. From everyday organization to specialized storage needs, we have the perfect solution for you. Let us help you make your house a HOMZ. What we like. This cart boasts a small vertical footprint, making it perfect for tight spaces, and features clear drawers for easy identification of contents. The removable wheels add to its portability. If you have limited space but need efficient storage for toiletries, office supplies, or crafts, this compact and clear organizer is a great fit. What people say. The drawers are deep and hold a lot of items. The wheels make it easy to move around. Assembly was straightforward and took about 30 minutes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.